boxes here this morning. I checked the first couple I had out in the lock. I got to find this one again now. Oh, just a bit of luck. I got one. Different looking colour. This like a light grey colour. I'm gonna get him out of the trapper now. We'll get a look at him, guys. I really didn't expect to see anything today because it's been raining non-stop the last, what, 3 or 4 days? Okay, the bait, everything's all still in there. That's good. Oops. Oh my. These big old gloves off. He's a really light color. Male. Okay, well, a little bit of luck today anyway. If I can do this without catching my fingers. I'll set up again here. Okay. Ooh. Down the other day, over here, with my trail camera for the beaver again, because like I said in my previous video, I was having trouble with it. I think I found out the trouble and I think I got it fixed, hopefully. It's been raining non-stop the last 3 or 4 days, like torrential downpours. And I'm hoping that my trail camera is still there. So I'm gonna take you guys along and then we'll go over and look and see. I just drove along by it and had a quick look, and it's not looking very good. So let's go see. Videos there. You might have noticed that this was a lot lower than this. As you can see, his house looks like it's flooded out and everything. And down right there, that's where my trail camera is. Hopefully, I gotta get down there now and see if it's still there. Finally had a little break in the weather today, enough to manage to get in. I've never filmed much the last couple of days. Okay, the trail camera's still there anyway, guys. Perfect. Great. You'll see in the other video, if you could hear me over the water and the traffic there. Right here is where his dam was. But as you can see, not there now. I'm looking off. The trail camera's still there. So hopefully, I got some video this time. Well, I just checked one lake hole set that I had, never had no luck. I'm coming in here now, I got a couple here, you guys know, and some snares out, so check those now. Nothing there. I don't know. I'm half thinking today I'm gonna pull this line and move to a different location. Just keep my snares and stuff out. A couple of mink boxes. I'm not seeing nothing up there. Okay, after the snares. Okay. Got one knocked out of place here. I gotta fix that one now. As you can see. Okay. 1 second, guys. Alright, get this snare all fixed up there. Let's have a look in here. Old bait paw. Nothing in that one. Oh. Wait now. I think we got some luck, guys. Yes, sir. Well, just checking the couple I got here. Looks like we got one. All right. Well, this day's not turning too bad after all. All right, I'm gonna get him out here now and let me get a look at him. Looks like a young one. He's got everything tangled up here pretty good. I forgot my wire cutters. Only a young one. Oh boy, he's certainly tangled up. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Okay, this way. Okay, there we go. Yeah, only a young one, but it's better than neither one, so I'll take it. If I can just get this cable on down there. Oh my. How am I gonna get that? Huh. I really need my cable cutters, which I don't have. Where's the other end? Okay. Wait, out. Okay. Haha, there we go. Got it. I didn't really think anything was going to be on the move. Like I said, the last 3 or 4 days has been pouring rain. So what have we got? Let me see. Yeah, young male. Okay, we'll get him back to the truck now, guys, and we'll get a good look at him. There he is. Like I said, only a young one, but oh yeah, you can see where he was chewing on the cable stuff too. Looks like a young one. Anyway, Show you, get a good look at him right now. There he is, guys. That's number 4 for the year. Awesome. And that's a couple videos back there. I mentioned about my buddy up in Marystown, Chris there. And that's some snares that I got off him. So Chris, my buddy, your snares work excellent. So I got another couple sets to check, guys, so stay tuned. All right. Checking a few leg holes here now. Nothing there. Like I said, I'm half debating today to pull these leg holes, take them to a different area. Just like I said, just keep my snares out there. Maybe I'll leave them for maybe today, Friday. I'll leave them maybe till Sunday, then I'll move it. So, at least it's not raining today anyway, which is one good thing. I'm not seeing nothing down there. Nope. Trying to see if there's anything just disturbed or what. I don't like going too close to them. Nope, all good. Ah, there's another couple snares over here to have a look at. If I have any luck, I'll let you guys know there for sure. A little bit of luck today anyway, guys. I'm more than happy. Like I said, I wasn't expecting to see anything. Not with this weather we've been having. Like I said, I think I'm going to leave it maybe till Sunday. And I'm going to pull this line and move it somewhere else. So I don't know if I'm going to make the video today and put it out, or I'll wait till Sunday when I come in and do it all in one bigger video. But I had a gentleman ask me a question there, left me a comment. He said, I don't see you carrying like a gun or anything with you. Wondering how to dispatch the coyotes and whatnot. So all I use, I got an old 22. I got the clip lost. So it's really, I just use it for a single shot now. And that's all I use. For the foxes and whatnot, I just use I made a catch pole with a snare on it. For the coyotes, I use the 22 to dispatch them and whatnot. So guys, I'm gonna head home now and I'm gonna weigh that coyote anyway, like I always do. I'll show you that for sure. And let me see. Will I put it out today? I think maybe I'll wait till Sunday to put it out. So this is Friday. I was looking for my phone, then I'm recording on it. It's pretty good. So yeah, I'll give it another couple of days and we'll go from there then. Like I said, I'll keep my snares and whatnot out, and I got another spot I want to check. Seen a lot of sign there last year, so guys, when I get home and get out in first shed, I'll definitely turn the camera back on. Stay tuned. Well, look at that. There's 2 grouse up in the tree, guys. There's one right there, as you see. The other one is right. Oh, there was one. See if I can get the other one. He's right there. There he goes. Oh well. Let him live for another day. Okay, I'm gonna weigh that coyote there now, guys. You see, scale's on 0. Okay, we got 33.5 pounds. I didn't think it was so heavy as that, actually. Okay. Morning, guys. It's a drizzly old Saturday morning. A little bit of break in the rain here now, so I just come in, had a couple sets out for some foxes and whatnot. I had them out now for a few days. like I said there from yesterday, I'm gonna move my line, I think, so I'm gonna pull these down for the day anyway. So I made up a little trap puller thing. I'm gonna try this today. I can't take credit for it. I've seen the guys make them on YouTube, and I just modified the old log holder I had. But I think, now that I more think about it, I think I've got this piece. It should be on the bottom. So I'm gonna give it a go anyway, see how it works. So I'm just gonna dig up my trap here. I'm gonna get my fingers. Need a stick. Bear with me, guys. Okay. Now, from what I've seen, hook my chain like that. Oh yeah, perfect. Well, that worked out pretty good. Awesome. All right, well, I got a few more sets there. I'm gonna get those pulled out now, and I'll be right back. Morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. It's another rainy day here in Newfoundland. I was checking some traps down this morning. Like I said, I part of the video there, I'm gonna pull my line down here another day, I think, and move to a different location. Excuse me. So I'm gonna sip on my coffee, get the good old jigs and reels on, and we'll make the day of it anyway. So when I get to the first location there, guys, I'll turn the camera back on and stay tuned, and we'll be right back. Hey, let's check a couple mink boxes I got here. Nothing in that one. It's been raining like non-stop, man, the last week or more. Unreal. Where's a fit? Way over here. Nothing in that one. Okay. One more right here. Well, alrighty. That might have been a culprit from a couple of videos back there that was setting off my traps. Okay. I'm gonna get them out there now, guys, and we'll get a look at them. Alright. The morning's starting out pretty good anyway. No big catch, but there's nothing. You see me there? Smaller one. Beautiful little white on the chest there. Female. Oh. It's all set up again now. Perfect. Right. Check the water set. This is amazing how high the water is. Bit dark. Yeah, I can't see nothing. I can't see the bucket. I guess I'm gonna have to pull it up and see if there's any in it. Hang on, guys. Yeah, this water's too murky. I can't see nothing. Let's see. I see the trap. Whoa, gosh. We got an otter. Yes, sir. Finally. Nice one, too. Yes, sir. Losing hope on this set. Forgot my trap setters. There we go. Not a bad one. I'll take that. Gotta set up again now then. Triggers are broke on my water, broken one of my triggers there. Still work. Safety's off again. All right. Well, like I said, we get a little break in rain here now, but it's been raining non-stop for a week or more. Wasn't expecting to see anything today for sure. That's a bonus, it is. Awesome. So I guess we'll head on down the line now and continue on checking a few traps. Like I was saying, guys, it's been raining for a long time now, too long. Everything is afloat. I had a job finding my trap there then, and it was buried up underneath the water there. So obviously it wasn't going to work, and whatever bait and lures that I did have in my sets was all washed away. So I'm gonna get it pulled up here now and check the other couple. All right, pull this one up now too. Like I said, there's not much point. All this rain and all my sets are on, half of them underwater. And so, try this again now. need to make the pipe longer. It's amazing how they hold on. Oh, this one doesn't want to cooperate this morning. I got my J-hook in there, but that's no big deal. There we go. Man, oh man, oh man. You certainly hold on. Got them back anyway. So I'm gonna continue on now and hit one more set down here. Pull that one, then I gotta go back the road a little bit and check those couples. Check my snares and whatnot there. No luck today, but I'm still gonna keep my snares and my couple mink boxes that I have on this stretch of road and keep them out for another wall. So you guys stay tuned and right back. Hey, I got all my traps pulled up there now. The rain has held up a little bit anyway, but this thing is supposed to rain again all next week, right till next Thursday, next Friday. Unbelievable. I was hoping to get some more mink sets and whatnot out, do some pocket sets by the brooks and stuff, but it's just too much water yet. So all in all, we had a good couple of days. I had a coyote, a couple mink, that otter net this morning, that deer. Can't complain, like I said. With the weather the way it was, I wasn't expecting anything. As you'll see, the video was filmed over a couple of days. I decided to add it all, make one bigger video. And you guys, if you're liking my videos and my content and whatnot, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and share it, guys. I greatly appreciate it. Right? I read all the comments, and I'm making a lot of good friends along the way here. I can't believe it. So guys, I'm gonna head her home now. Get off this old wet clothes and have a coffee. Enjoy the rest of my day. You guys too. And until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next adventure. Thanks for watching, everybody. Take care.